It's over.
Hello everyone, Sergey here, and this is Atlanta Turnkey Construction Company. So today I would like to show you a complete project which we did in the Sandy Springs. This is a huge landscape project with the retaining walls and the fences and all that stuff. So stay on the channel, like, subscribe, and I'll show you what we can do for you and for your project here in Atlanta, because we're local based, licensed general contractor company which can care about any type of construction or remodeling. Here is the project. As you might remember, we had old railing wooden retaining walls here, so now we have nice modular blocks with the aluminum fence over. We have a new pillars here, we have a new gate, everything done by Atlanta Turnkey Construction. And this beautiful landscape been done within just 3 weeks. We also do really nice concrete pad, new staircase into the house. Every level of the retaining wall has railing. It is a aluminum railing. We took the old stones which been on this property and salvaged that into the nice pathway. Then we have farm fence, and this is probably the best solution for the fence if you look into. You can give us a call, we can estimate it for free, and that's how we build that. Nice, clean finish. We still have some permitting work going on this project with the city of Sandy Springs. That's why we have this tree protection cover here. Also, we did the new grass all over the backfill we did on this property from the digging and excavation. So that's how it looks like right now. We did the new fence all the way to the deck, and connect that to the existing part of the railing. The actually small issue we have right now is just the water drain which overflow over the retaining walls and fill the pool. So now we actually getting the more ideas how to get that off. We will probably run the new line of the drain, the French drain, which should reroute the water. And this really nice area for the planting. So these are the spots where we have to address the water issue while the rain it's overfill the wall. And badly you can see at this spot right here. And collect the water, and water goes right here and go over into the pool. At this spot right over here, we're gonna need to do the receiver, like a big bucket. This is something we will care about next week, but other than that, it is a beautiful project being done in Sandy Springs. If you guys looking for professional construction help over your project, interior or exterior, give us a call. I will have all the details in the video description. Give us a call. We are in Roswell. Let's meet in our showroom. Let's discuss your project. We do everything from planning to the finishing. can take it, I can fill it, and I can send it to you, and then you can submit them. Okay, sounds
Yeah,
good. Yeah,
I figured out.
yeah,
That's what I thought we were.
that's fine. I will figure it out. So guys, if you're looking for the right contractor for your project, interior, exterior, doesn't really matter. We care about everything. We handle anything. That's why we are turnkey construction company. So everything you need to do just to pick the final, bring them, install them, and we will do everything for you and for your project from the permitting to the final completion. Give us a call. Let's discuss your project. Enjoy your day.